So this is a metal miter saw. It works just the same way as a miter saw, but the blade it has is meant to cut metals. You can put steel, aluminum on this thing. So we're going to use it to cut your die out of the stock. The nominal value for this is 1 by 1, but we want it to be a perfect cube. So take your calipers, measure it. This piece is 1.002 inches, so very close to 1. A trick when measuring on aluminum, because the calipers are harder, you can set it to what you want. You want it a little over. Oh, this is not zeroed properly. Oh, it's in millimeters, that's fine. So I'm going to set it to about 1.1 inches because this takes a little more off than you'd expect. Put one side on your edge and scratch the line into it. So now you have a marked line on your aluminum itself. You don't have to use a pencil or anything. This has a built-in vise over here. This decides whether the threads are engaged or not. One side is flat, one side has thread. So when it's on this side, you can move it freely. So place it. Clamp it very gently. Don't actually engage the thread yet. Lower the blade down. You can see where your mark is. You want it to the left, not touching it, because when it spins up, it takes a little more off than it would appear when you just lay it flat on the material. Tighten it. Check again, make sure it didn't move. There's a red safety. You depress it, and then that's your trigger. All right. Go slow and steady. Let the tool decide the speed at which you go. It's going to be a little hot when you take it off. But now we can measure it. Make sure. That's around what I wanted it at. We're going to take the rest of the material off on the mill. So it's important to clean up. There are shop vacs located all across the machine shop. There's most likely going to be one near this machine, but if not, there's plenty. In. After every non-drilling procedure, you want to make sure to deburr your surface. After every cut, there's going to be burrs left on your material. These are sharp, these can cut you, and these can make measuring less accurate. This tool right here is a sanding belt, or sanding wheel. There's a switch right here to start it. Before I turn it on, you want to angle your piece down, hold it as far away as you can safely, and then quickly and gently press it against this side of the belt. Doing this will make sure if it slips out of your hand or it catches too much, it will just shoot it down, and it won't shoot it at you, and it's the safest way to do it. Now you see, the edges are all really nice. They're not sharp, and we're good to go.